Namaste and welcome to RTM Carnatic. In this video, we will be learning one of the most fundamental topics in Carnatic music, Talas. Whether you are just starting out or looking to improve your Laya skills, this video will guide you step by step. Tal refers to the rhythmic gestures that we use to help us control the pace and symmetry of the lyrics while we are singing. Just like we have the Sapta Swaras, we also have Sapta Talas. As the name indicates, we have Sapta or 7 basic talas. What are these talas? The names of these talas are Dhruva Tala, Madhya Tala, Rupaka Tala, Jhamba Tala, Triputa Tala, Atta Tala and Ekatala. Each of these talas are made up of 3 parts or angas. They are Laghu, Dhrutham and Anudhrutham. Laghu is a beat followed by finger counts like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So one beat and then finger counts like that. Dhrutham is one beat and one wave of the hand like this: 1 and 2. Anudhrutham is a single beat like this. In notation, Laghu is shown as a vertical line, Dhrutham as a circle, Anudhrutham as a semicircle or U. The very first tala that most beginners learn is Adi Tala. Adi Tala consists of 1 Laghu and 2 Dhruthams. We often sing at different speeds, otherwise called kalas, while keeping the rhythm constant. This is to develop rhythmic control and maintain tala stability even when the tempo increases or decreases. Now, let's try a simple exercise to understand Adi Tala better. We'll practice 4 speeds within one cycle of Adi Tala. Sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma, sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, sa ni dha pa, sa ni dha pa, sa ni dha pa, sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. So in this exercise, we did 4 speeds starting from the first speed where one note is used in one beat like this: Sa, Re, Ga, Ma. And then it goes like Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, where 2 notes are used in 2 beats. And then Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, where 4 notes are used in one beat. And then Sarigama Padanisa, where 8 notes are used in one beat. I hope this session gave you a clearer understanding of the talas and how to apply them in your practice. Let us know your feedback in the comments and do like, share and subscribe to RTM Carnatic for more tips, tricks and music. For all your Carnatic enthusiasts, if you are looking for live one-on-one lessons with expert teachers for your Carnatic learning journey, RTM Academy is the place for you. Book a free trial class today and start your journey now.